That's where you're supposed to rent the kayaks. It's really flooded today. We decided to come see what was up. Wow. Willie's found football, Legos, some other kind of ball. I'm not going up in there.
At the Hocking River, there's a softball field close to it. Once you get past the softball field, you find a few.
I bet he'd enjoy that. The only thing I can think is getting a grinder with a blade this thick. Because if you get a razor blade or anything.
Kind of mid-morning sun, and then mid-afternoon it goes away.
There's this college professor, he does these like hour-long.
Osprey.
Right there.
Where's the bald eagle?
Right there.
Oh, there he is. See him? Hello.
The funky monkeys are coming.
Bald eagle.
It starts right back up. Illusion of my perception of what I see.
You are right.